Hi, I'm Sunny, your wisdom granny from Elsewhere Unplug. And today I can't wait to share with you one of my absolute favorite products, our sketchbook kit. Let's dive in and see what's inside. First of all, you've got 3 eco-friendly pencils made out of recycled paper instead of wood. How cool is that? Not only are they functional, but they're also a great choice for the planet. Next, you've got a VOC-free eraser. That means no harmful gases when you erase, just a clean, safe way to fix your mistakes. And here's a metal pencil sharpener. It has 2 different size holes, making it super versatile for whatever pencil you're using. Now everything fits beautifully in this sturdy canvas travel bag. It's the perfect way to keep all your supplies organized and ready to go. So wherever your creativity takes you, you're ready. And of course, last but not least, you've got this beautiful hardcover blank journal. It's perfect for scribbling, doodling, drawing, and anything your heart desires. This kit truly has everything you need to get started. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I can't help but agree with Eminem when he says, "If I have the opportunity to remove just one thing from the world today, I will remove the internet." Too much screen time really does take away from who we are. That's why I love this sketchbook kit. It's the perfect way to unplug and reconnect with your creativity. I gave this kit to my grandson, and he took it everywhere we went. He started drawing, writing stories, doodling, and get this, he used it so much that I needed to get him a second book within a few weeks because he was actually taking time away from his electronics. The kid who usually couldn't look away from his screen was suddenly creative, communicative, and so much more himself. It's amazing how our brains and bodies respond when we take the time to make a choice to reduce our screen time. So grab your sketchbook kit today and always have it on hand. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Plus, we care about Mother Earth, so our packaging is plastic-free and recyclable. And if you're looking for even more fun, check out our other amazing activity kits like the flower press and the paper making kit. Both are perfect for keeping your kids unplugged and engaged. So remember, when it's time to unplug, go elsewhere.